let's be real honest here. We're looking at building a future forward. And on the flip side, we're also looking to fill up the ranks. We're looking to fill up the entry forms. Let's get some people who the price of entry is totally prohibitive. Okay? They're like, I'm not going to spend that kind of money. I'm not going to spend that kind of money to get into runabout racing. I don't know how to ride a stand-up. I'm going to get into runabout racing, but I'm not going to fork over 30 grand to do this. Well, guess what? A little ATV on a aqua cart tote with little balloon tires can pick any Spark or EX out of the water. Oh, okay, great. Oh, I don't need a big UTV or a big side-by-side to pull my RX TX out of the water. No, you don't. Okay. And that is what is going to effectively be the rebirth of jet ski racing. All right. A lot of old school guys will jump right out of their skin if they said, okay, we're bringing back race courses from 1993. Really? Yeah. Okay. Heyday of the jet ski industry was 1995. Biggest, highest selling year of any watercraft. It was 126 or 128 units. All right. Think about it this way. Most people are never going to race. Most people will never put a helmet on jet skiing ever in their life. They'll never do it. Most people won't even put on a wetsuit. Okay? I understand. But suddenly, you start seeing, oh, hey, I can get into jet skiing in a 7-year-old Spark. Oh, okay. And I do a reflash on it. It's 105, 110 horse. Okay. Put a set of sponsons on it and intake rate. Okay. I get rid of that cheap plastic steering and I put in a Riva or a UMI steering system. Okay. And all I have to do is buy a bunch of safety equipment and I go out there. The max I'm going is 50, 55 miles an hour. Okay. Think about how many parents would be like, hey, you know what? I'd rather have Johnny out there on a Spark than a dirt bike. Oh, okay. Suddenly you have all these new kids coming in. I've already done this conversation. I've already talked about it. But now the iron's hot. Now the conversation's like pretty pertinent. Hey, we need to have this talk. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.